Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Kamil. So today I will present to you about our assignment 2 for BMIW3363, which is focusing on our product coconut milk or Santan. This assignment was prepared under the guidance of Prof. Madiati S. Dr. Wan Hasrul Nizam Wan Mahmud. So for our team, this project was completed by myself, Aiman, together with my partner, Amirul Haikal. Together, we analysed coconut milk as a product and evaluated how its supply chain meets its strategic requirement. So we go for our first product overview. Coconut milk is one of the most essential ingredients in Malaysia cuisine. It is made from grated coconut flesh and is widely used in cooking. However, it has a short shelf life, meaning the production must be controlled carefully. Coconut milk is also extremely sensitive to contamination, so hygiene and handling are very important. This characteristic directly influence the type of supply chain strategy required. Next, we go to our next slide, which is product structure. This slide shows the full structure of coconut milk production. Start with mature coconut fruit, followed by dehusking and shell removal. Then, the flesh goes through grating and meat extraction, and afterwards, it is filtered to remove impurities. Next, the meat undergoes pasteurization and homogenization to ensure safety and consistency. Finally, it is packaged in cans, pouches, or Tetra Pak cartons before being released as the finished product. Each stage requires specific material, equipment, and hygiene procedure. Then, we proceed to key product characteristics. There are several important characteristics that affect how coconut milk should be produced. First, it is highly perishable, meaning it can spoil quickly. Second, the product is very hygiene sensitive, so strict cleanliness is required. In Malaysia, demand is generally stable, which helps with planning. However, the quality is strongly tied to the freshness, meaning the supply chain must move fast. Temperature control during storage is also necessary to avoid spoilage. Okay, so next, why strategic fit is important? It is important for the supply chain to match the product characteristic. A good strategic fit helps maintain product quality and reduce wastage or spoilage. It also supports cost-effective production and ensures that the product consistently meets market demands. In simple terms, if the supply chain is designed correctly, coconut milk can be produced efficiently, safely, and competitively. Okay, so that's all from me, and I will pass to my teammate Amirul.
Hybrid supply chain strategy. For coconut milk, a hybrid supply chain strategy is the most suitable. From the efficiency side, the product has stable demand, so cost optimization and supply reliability are important. From the responsiveness side, the product requires fast processing, freshness maintenance, and quick delivery. Because the coconut milks both cost efficiency and speed, the hybrid strategy provides the best balance. Bill of materials. The bill of materials lists all the components needed to produce coconut milk. This includes the main ingredient, which is coconut flesh, as well as water, stabilizers, and other processing materials. Packaging materials such as cans, pouches, and aseptic cartons are also included. Additionally, machinery like extractor, graters, and pasteurizers are required, as well as logistic materials like pallets. The BOM is important because it affects cost, quality, and supplier requirements. Supply chain tiers. The coconut milk supply chain involves multiple tiers. Tier 1 includes direct suppliers such as coconut processors, packaging manufacturers, machinery suppliers, and logistic providers. Tier 2 includes resin suppliers, stabilizers, and additive suppliers, and pulp or paper producers. Tier 3 involve the upstream industries such as petrochemical plants, mining companies, and raw paper mills. Understanding these tiers helps identify where the material comes from and how each level supports production. Supplier selection. The suppliers for this product were identified through web search. For raw materials, we selected Linaco and KPF Plantation, which are established coconut producers. For packaging, we identified Tetra Pak, Can1, and Santan, which offers safe and certified packaging solutions. For machinery, YKL Engineering provides coconut processing equipment. And for logistics, companies like DHL, Ninja Van, and JNT Express ensure fast delivery. These suppliers were chosen because they have the right certifications such as Halal, HACCP, and GMP. They are reliable and many are locally based, which reduces lead time. In conclusion, coconut milk requires a supply chain that is both efficient and responsive. A hybrid supply chain strategy fits the product the best. The BOM and tier structure support smooth production, and the chosen suppliers help ensure quality, cost control, and delivery speed. Overall, strategic fit allows coconut milk production to remain competitive and reliable. Thank you.